A lot of our kids and families have poorer health outcomes than peers in other parts of the city or in other parts of the state. That has a lot to do with what we call the social determinants of health, things that affect them at home, from housing to income. We know that healthier students are better learners, and kids who are more educationally successful are healthier throughout their life course.
The mission of the Rales Center is to fundamentally reimagine school health, to make it work better for teachers and families and for the healthcare system and for our partners in the community. And ultimately, our goal is to bring health and education together to better serve the needs of all the kids in the school building.
Before I came to the Rales Center to take asthma medicine, it was hard because I couldn't dance and do sports that I wanted to do. But now, when I came to the Rales Center, they make sure I take my medicine every day, and it helped me a lot. So now I can play lacrosse and I can dance.
Our teachers have peace of mind knowing that they have these medical professionals to rely on. Most people forget that when you are in education and you are a teacher, you are a nurse for the day, you are a counselor for the day, your mom sometimes. You're that person all day for kids to keep them happy, healthy, safe, and also learning.
The best thing about the Rales Center throughout the whole thing is there's so many students that can be treated right here that don't need to miss school.
Since we opened our program, we've seen a 50% decrease in chronic absenteeism among kids with ADHD and a 49% decrease in chronic absenteeism among kids with asthma.
To be able to come right down at your lunch period and get a needed vaccine, to be able to come before school and get an important medication. Before the Rales Health Center was here, parents didn't have that option. Really important to them was the option to get daily medication in school. And we've responded to that, and that's why we give over 80 medicines a day here in our health center.
And we get to really address the whole child way more than we ever have in the past. It means that we meet the needs of our kids more easily, because all of those experts are around the table.
Importantly, we work along with kids' primary care doctors to really create a healthcare team that extends into the community.
So they really help provide the 360-degree lens that as a community pediatrician, I can only see part of when I'm on the outside, and really they provide the rest of the whole picture and act completely with partners with us.
The Vision program has been another great wing onto the Rales Center to be able to provide glasses for the students so that they can actually be successful in the classroom.
The Rales Health Center is kind of a one-of-a-kind school-based health center model that is really focused on fully integrating health care and wellness programming into a school setting. On the wellness side, we've developed a really great partnership with the school, so we're able to leverage that partnership to deliver some really positive wellness-related programming, including a lot of physical activity and physical education, health education, social and emotional learning, and school climate and culture work.
No child I have yet to meet develops into a whole healthy person without an entire community supporting them. And so the partnership between a school, the health center, and the family is really important to helping develop a whole child and a healthy child.
It doesn't matter who you are, they will treat you with all the respect that you give them. On my bad days, I come here and just to talk and to feel good, because sometimes I just have breakdowns and I needed someone to talk to.
We're tremendously grateful to the Rales Foundation, to the KIPP Foundation, to Baltimore City Public Schools for coming together around something that really makes a difference on a day-to-day basis. This is an endeavor that we could have never imagined it until it was here, but now that we have it, we feel like we can't live without it.
The thing that encapsulates what the Rales Center does is when you walk into the Rales Health Center and you see kids streaming in to get a hug or a high five from one of our staff members or nurses or our physician or nurse practitioner, that therapeutic hug or the touch point or the check-in, that's what it's really all about. The kids see this as a place to go to build an important relationship that helps them to be healthier, happier kids, and that's ultimately what all of this is about. That's the reason we're in pediatrics, and that's why folks are educators, is ultimately to help kids reach their full potential.